Good morning, guys. I look a little shiny because I have Aquaphor on my face. It is almost 11 o'clock in the morning. Today is Saturday, so I have chores to do. I've just been watching TV mostly and getting some caffeine in with my tea. I'm thinking about making some breakfast. But I don't know, maybe. I gotta check on some stuff that I ordered. I want to see if there's anything that should be coming anytime soon. I'm going to work on the sticker design some more today, I think. I had it up until flat color, so I'm going to finish it today, I hope. Otherwise I have cleaning to do. I gotta clean the bird's cage, I gotta vacuum the carpet, gotta do some laundry maybe? I don't know, I don't think I have laundry to do. I was playing Animal Crossing this morning. It snowed in Animal Crossing, which is cool. I might play Cattails today, I don't know. It's supposed to be my day off, and I should be more day off like, but I don't tend to be. It's supposed to rain, but so far it doesn't seem like it has. If it doesn't, then I suppose we could still clean the kennel like we've been meaning to do, but my head's been bothering me. Otherwise, I've been super tired mostly. It's probably just my asthma not letting me sleep, but the caffeine usually helps some. And otherwise, I'm probably just gonna get to chores. It's almost noon, so I probably should get to something. I've just been sort of lazing about. But yeah.
you ever do anything sexual with Sarah's 4-year-old daughter? No. No. You answered no. The results came back the same to each question. And it came back...
So now it's about, my watch will work, 3 o'clock. And I finished up the December sticker thing. I gotta send it off to be manufactured. And I've mostly just been doing that. I went and did the feeding otherwise, and so yeah, Mom has been fucking with me because she'd made a bunch of really sweet shit and I can't stand it. I love sweet shit. So I may have cheated slightly, but I need to not do that because, oh, Candy, I hate it when she does that shit, but it's Christmas time and that's what she does. So anyway, I have to avoid the kitchen at all costs. But anyway, I will add the speed paint from where I started the time lapse into this. Obviously the December sticker is Sora as a lion from Kingdom Hearts, as you can tell. And I think he turned out pretty good, so yeah. He's gonna be a sticker and I might make him charms at some point or something. We'll see. Depends on how much extra cash I have. But yeah, I'm trying to rehydrate because I feel like I'm dehydrated, so gotta drink lots of water. And otherwise I will continue working on art stuff, I think. So yeah, it's an artist type day. Although I still have to do chores, but I might do those tomorrow. We'll see. So I did vacuum my room, so it's clean now, so that's good at least. But I still have to clean the bird's cage and vacuum the living room. And there's something else, I swear. Bit of dust. But today is a little bit lazy, so I think I shall continue working on art. Editing's in again. I keep forgetting to end these, so this is the end of this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.